Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I was talking about basic integration and the normal formula for integration. Now, we are going to step up a little bit. We are going to move a little bit to integration of functions of linear function. So let's say we have they ask us to integrate something like this. We have x minus 2 raised to power 3, then the x, and we are asked to integrate something like this. We cannot just pick what is inside the bracket and try to solve it normally using integration. It's just like when we are doing differentiation and then we see a bracket raised power something, we have to use chain rule to solve it. So in this case, there is a method of solving this type of question, and here we go. First of all, the function that is inside the inner function, out of the inner function that is inside there, we are going to give it a value. Let's say u. So we are going to do like u is equals to x minus 2. Then we find for the u the x. So differentiation of the u dx is going to give us 1. So when we are cross multiplying, we are going to get the u is equals to the x. This for something simple. So once we have gotten something like this, we are replacing the x with whatever we got as our du right here. So when we replace it, we have already gotten u is equals to, we have put our u equals to this. So we are going to get as a integral of u raised power 3, then our dx is equals to directly du. So du. So when we are integrating this, it's going to give us u raised power 4 all over 4. That is u raised power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1, which is going to give us this. And we'll put our u back as this. We have x minus 2 raised power 4 all over 4. But this is a very simple question. It's not guaranteed that you are going to meet something as simple as this when solving question. So let me move up a little bit into something more complicated. So let's say we are asked to find for the integral of we have 3x square 3x square plus 5, this everything raised to power 4, then the x. Let's say we are asked to integrate this. So while integrating this using the same formula, what is inside the bracket, we are giving it a value. Let's say we use u. So we have our u is equals to 3x square plus 5. Then we differentiate the u dx is equals to, when you differentiate this, you will get 6x using normal differentiation. So now getting this, you are going to make the x the subject of the formula. First of all, if we cross multiply, we have the u is equals to 6x dx, then divide both side by 6x. We have our dx is equals to du over 6x, or it can also be written as dx is equals to 1 over 6x times du. So this is what our value for dx is. Unlike the earlier one which we got our dx equals to du, there are cases where you see something like this. So as we have gotten this, we come back to this place. We write it as integral of u raised to power 4. Then our dx is equals to 1 over 6x du. That is 1 times 1 over 6x du, replacing the value of the x right here. So then our 1 over 6x automatically becomes a constant because we are differentiating with respect to u in this place. So our 1 over 6x, it comes outside the integral sign. We have it as 1 over 6x integral u raised to power 4 du. Then when we integrate this, we have it as 1 over 6x times u raised to power 4 plus 1, u raised to power 5 all over 5. So when we multiply, we get u raised power 5 all over 5 times 6x, we have 30x. We get our value of u back from here. We get it as 3x square plus 5 all raised power 5 over 30x over 30x. This is our answer. Then don't forget to add plus c. I forgot to add plus c in my first question. Don't always remember to add plus c whenever you are doing your integral signs. Always remember.